Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Snapchat on an Android phone. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store. Okay, so once you've found it, tap on it to open it up and tap on the search function right here, and then go to the top and tap on the search bar. And once that's done, just go ahead and type down Snapchat, just like so. And then once done, tap on Snapchat right here or tap on Find. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, here we have Snapchat. You can just easily tap on Install right here and just basically wait for the process to finish. Okay? And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and tap on Open or Find the app icon onto your app section, just like here. Tap and hold, and then move it wherever you want. All right? There you go. That is how simple it is to install Snapchat on an Android phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.